Hi, I'm Miss Becca, and I'm going to show you a shape song. It's called Have You Ever Seen a Circle? And for this one, we're going to use our scarf. So it goes like this. Have you ever seen a circle, a circle, a circle? Have you ever seen a circle go this way and that? Go this way and that way and that way and this way. Have you ever seen a circle go this way and that? Hooray! Hello, I'm Miss Becca, and I'm going to show you the movements for an action rhyme song called I Have a Little Heart. It goes like this. I have a little heart and it goes thump, thump, thump. It keeps right on beating when I jump, jump, jump. I get a special feeling when I look at you. It makes me want to give you a hug or two. Yay! Hi, I'm Miss Becca, and today we are going to do a shape song. It is called Make a Circle. So we are going to use our fingers and we're going to make a circle, and then we are going to make a square. The song goes like this. Make a circle, make a circle, make a circle in the sky. Use your finger, make it round like a pie. Make a square, make a square, make a square in the sky. Use your finger to make 4 straight lines. All right, thank you.